Conventional lighting controls have been considered complicated, expensive, and time-consuming. Complex network wiring, labor-intensive device installation, testing, troubleshooting, commissioning, and proprietary management computer software are generally required. All of these result in extensive time on-site and high project costs. To provide the lighting industry a premier lighting control system without complexity, IRTech is pleased to offer the OccuSens Network, OSNet, an innovative wireless solution with unsurpassed flexibility, interchangeability, and functionality. The concept behind OSNet is quite simple: establish an advanced wireless lighting control network while installing OSNet integrated fixtures or lighting circuits. The OSNet wireless mesh network is made up of the OSNet sensors, controllers, and push buttons. These devices can be integrated into fixtures or circuits to achieve intelligent controls such as occupancy sensing for automatic lighting control, daylight sensing to inhibit or dim the lighting in daylit areas, vacancy sensing for manual control, and everything needed to achieve California Title 24 requirements. After the installation, all that is needed is to configure the control groups and settings of the OSNet devices using a simple IR remote programmer. All of this is done through the OSNet wireless system. Both OSNet sensors and controllers can be flexibly mounted in various options, including lighting fixture integration, externally nippled or surface mounted. They can additionally be installed indoor or outdoor using IP66 rated mounts. Beyond fixture integration, OSNet sensors and controllers can be mounted on the ceiling with different brackets, allowing for surface, recess, or junction box placement. Every OSNet sensor features interchangeable lenses that can provide different sensing ranges, patterns, and mounting heights. IRTech offers lenses with standard, high bay, extra wide, and aisle coverages for installation heights ranging from typical office ceilings, parking garages, or high bay applications. Not only are the lenses easily changed, the assignment control group of OSNet-enabled fixtures or lighting circuits can be easily changed by a simple and intuitive remote operation. This allows OSNet devices to have the greatest flexibility. Based on the environmental differences in application requirements, each OSNet sensor can be programmed to control lighting with various strategies, which include occupancy sensing, vacancy sensing, daylight sensing, and dimming control. Depending on the dimmability of the connected lighting, each OSNet sensor or controller can be set to provide typical on-off switching for non-dimmable lighting. For 0 to 10 volt dimming applications, we offer bi-level dimming. Or IRTech's Smart Dim continuous dimming control. With unsurpassed flexibility, interchangeability, and functionality, the OSNet system allows you to easily enable lighting products with state-of-the-art wireless control connectivity, so that a lighting design can be easily created for a code-compliant lighting system. The end result being a wireless system that can be easily installed, just like any other conventional lighting application. OSNet will fit perfectly in offices, stairwells, parking garages, classrooms, outdoor applications, manufacturing plants, corridors, warehouse open area and aisleways, and much more. OSNet, unsurpassed flexibility and integration, versatile control functionality, simplicity in installation with significant energy savings. This combination makes IRTech's OSNet the most cost-effective wireless lighting control solution on the market today. Visit irtech.com.